Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to give a generalized tarot card readings, and since it's Krishna Janmashtami around, let's see what Lord Krishna has got the message for you. So there are three groups, group 1, group 2 and group 3. Please choose whichever group you are drawn to. If you are drawn to this cards, this is group 1, choose group 1. If you're drawn to this cards, then choose group 2. If you're drawn to these cards, then choose group number 3. If you're confused like how should I choose, I'm not getting, then you can also write a paper 1, 2, 3, shuffle it and just pick one number. Take a divine name and pick the number. Whichever number comes, that will be your group. So let's begin. Hello group 1, I hope all of you are doing super amazing, super healthy and super duper happy in your life. So I've already asked the questions, picked the cards from various decks, and these are some of the decks from which I have picked the cards. So let's see what message has Lord Krishna has for you. So let's begin. We'll see these in the end. So the first question that I have asked Lord Krishna is, what obstacles will be Lord Krishna removing from your life? So yes, you have got 6 of Wands. I feel that if you have been troubled by people around you, mentally, physically, or in any ways, be it your family, friends or anyone, all those things will be slowly going away. So if you feel that some of the people around you are feeling jealous about you, they are they're having a very negative vibes towards you, or putting in a lot of negativity around you, then that obstacle will be slowly getting cleared. Okay, I also see that in your career that you will be progressing. If you're stuck somewhere and your career is not moving ahead that great, then this thing also will come to an end. And the next thing I feel that again, as I told, the people around you, if they are not keeping well, especially I see a male energy, be it your boss, be it any male friend or a family who is bossing over you or who is not giving you that good energy, will slowly change, and that obstacle and that person who is behaving as an obstacle in your life will be slowly getting cleared. So he will be getting that realization and they will eventually stop that negativity around you. So here you have got 2 of Wands. I feel that some of you who think that no matter how much efforts you're putting in, no matter whatever you're doing, the situation around you is not coming in control. No matter what you're doing, it's not coming in control. Then this is the time where Lord Krishna is going to bless you with clearing this situation and making it more favorable to you. So yes, it's a general reading. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So I overall feel that the situation around you is not that great. So no matter whatever efforts you're putting, no matter how much hard you're trying, the situation around you, especially the people around you, are not being that supportive. So I feel that because of people around you, their jealousy, their negativity or their injustice towards you is making your situation worsen more. So this obstacle of yours will be coming to an end by Lord Krishna. Okay, so now let's see what is the blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with. Let me keep these cards here. I'll take this. So these are the cards that what blessing will Lord Krishna bless you with. Okay, so I feel that Lord Krishna is going to give you a lot of wisdom for yourself, like wisdom for working on yourself basically. So you will start realizing and you will start getting the wisdom that you are more important. You will take care of yourself, and no matter what the situation, like how we saw here, no matter what people are throwing at you or what people are doing or what the situation is, you will be getting that wisdom of taking care of yourself. So self-care can be mentally, physically, or in any which ways. Okay, so you will also get a lot of different ideas, like, you know, to do some meditation or join some hobby classes, or do something that makes you feel more happy, and this will help in coming out of your bad situation. So the other blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with is, I see you will also be going on some adventure or a trip that will help you ease your mind. So a trip or a travel that is for fun, that is for adventure, that will motivate you, that will boost you. So this will be another blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with. And this trip of yours, this travel of yours, or the fun adventure of yours will help you in being more happy, will help you come out of the stress, will help you more in working on yourself, and that's going to be a great relaxation time that will help you to come out of this stress that is causing around you. Okay, so let me keep the cards over here. Okay, so the next is, what is the guidance by Lord Krishna? So this is the card that I've picked. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance. It is showing me the word increase. So I feel that the guidance the divine wants to tell you is clear your path by your own. So that means no matter what comes on your way, no matter what obstacles are there, you have that power within you to clear your own path and walk on the path. So go with the flow. You will definitely, all the obstacles will be removed by Lord, and try to clear your own path by changing your mindset, by having some fun, removing the stress, and eventually the path will get cleared. Okay, so working on yourself is very important. That is the guidance that I am getting from Lord Krishna. Okay, I think I'll keep it here. So next is what does Lord Krishna want you to surrender right now? So no matter whenever you're seeing this reading, so whenever you see this is what you need to surrender. I feel, yes, surrender your ego. So that is what is coming. So when people around you start behaving, or the situation around you start going negative, eventually, as a human being, we kind of tend to develop some kind of an ego, or the frustration which turns into ego. So let go of that ego, think in a calm mind, act in a calm mind. So I also feel that some of you should surrender to effortlessness. So that clearly means stop pushing so hard. So that means whatever situation you're facing, stop trying to change the situation in one night, so that things will get changed. As I told, go with the flow. That is the guidance that I have got. Go with the flow. Stop pushing yourself hard. Stop feeling guilty, or stop getting that ego. Stop trying to change the situation. Go with the flow. Work on yourself. Even things will eventually come to an end. So just go with the flow and put the necessary actions. So this is what you need to surrender. So overall, I feel that whatever situation you are facing around you, be it because of the people, because of the career, or in general, some of you, if you're facing a very bad situation, these things will eventually come to an end. Just focus on your right action. Focus on taking some time to relieving your stress, your mental stress, your physical stress. Work on yourself. Work on self-care. So whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you feel good, work on that. and eventually your path is gonna get cleared. So take the help of surrendering or letting go of your ego, your lot of energy in changing the situation. So instead of putting that energy in changing the situation, put your energy in working on yourself. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this reading of what Lord Krishna has got for you. So this is a general reading, take what resonates and leave the rest. So I hope you enjoyed. So see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. So hi group 2, I hope all of you are doing super amazing, super healthy and super duper happy in all of your life. So this reading is about what Lord Krishna has got for you. Let's see his blessings, let's see what obstacles he's going to remove, and let's see the overall guidance from Lord Krishna. So this is a general reading, take what resonates and leave the rest. So let me take first these cards. So I've already shuffled the cards, I've already asked the question, and I've already picked the cards. These are the various decks that I'm using. Okay, so let's see. The first is, what are the obstacles that Lord Krishna is going to remove from your life? Well, I see that some of you, you will be getting some kind of a help from some young person who is capable of things. So be it your career or be it in general any aspect of your life, someone is going to help you to come out of some kind of situation, and whatever you are stuck into, like whatever you think is an obstacle and things are not moving forward, then those things start speeding up. You can see these changes. The next card is the Moon. So I also feel that some of you have been emotionally very, very low of these days due to some reasons. So this emotional and mental breakdown of yours which is causing as an obstacle in your life is going to get cleared. Lord Krishna is going to solve. He's going to help you to come out of this emotional and mental breakdown. So I also feel that some of you who are in a confusion state regarding some kind of a decision that you need to make, some person, as I told earlier, is going to come and help you to decide better, which is for your highest good. I also feel that some of you are carrying lot of burden on their shoulders. So be it emotional baggage, be it mental baggage of past or about the future, as I told, which is causing the mental or the emotional breakdown because of this baggage that you're carrying, that is going to slowly come down. So these are the obstacles that Lord Krishna will be removing. Also, some of you who are very, very busy with a lot of physical activities or physical things around you, a lot of work around, and which is causing a lot of burden around you, that will also ease out. So overall, I feel that the obstacle that Lord Krishna will be removing is mainly your emotional, mental or any physical burden that you're carrying from the past, from present, or if you are thinking about future and you're carrying this emotional burden, this will be easing out. So some young person who is more mature, who is capable of helping you, advising you, is going to come, advise you. He or she is going to help you relieve this baggage. So I also feel that some of you will take the help of a therapist, which can really ease you out emotionally, mentally from the baggage. And if you're someone who is currently busy with a lot of physical things around you, you will be getting some kind of a help that is going to help you relieve this stress and the baggage. Okay, so now let's see what is the blessing that is coming on your way from Lord Krishna. Okay, so I see a six of wands. So I see there will be some kind of celebration. So whatever negative things, whatever emotional or physical efforts that you have been putting in, it will come. It's going to give you a result. So as I told, see here, 10 of wands. So there are a lot of efforts that you are putting for something. So that will at the end give you a favorable result. So there will be some kind of a celebration, some kind of an event that is going to take place either in your house or in your workspace or anywhere in your life that you will be celebrating. So the next blessing that I am seeing from Lord Krishna is, yes, you will be getting the help. So if you can see, I have got a temperance card. So the greatest blessing is a support and help from people. So here also you got a help. So you will be getting the needed support, maybe for your emotional health, mental health, or even physical efforts that you're putting in. You will be getting a supporting hand, or you will be either going to a therapist, which is going to act as a miraculous support and will help you. So these are the blessings that you will be getting from Lord Krishna. So now let's see what is the guidance from Lord Krishna. Yes, letting go. So as you saw in the cards, how beautifully they have formed. See, you are carrying this baggage. If you're someone who is carrying the baggage from the past, you need to let go of it. See, because new things open up only when you let go of past. Okay, new opportunities will open up only when you let go of the baggage that you're carrying from past. So let go of it, because it is not serving you any purpose. It's just, drowning your energy. That's it. It's not going to be used for, it's not going to help you in any way. So let go of the baggage that you're carrying. Let go of any unwanted energies, unwanted things that you're unnecessarily carrying in your life. So this is the exact guidance that Lord Krishna wants to give you. And this is going to really help. So now let's see what is that you need to surrender. Surrender to complete healing. Yes. So did you see here that the blessing coming your way is some kind of a supportive hand? So surrender yourself to the support that you receive, either from a person, from an advisor, or from a therapist, or any person who is going to help you. So surrender to that healing. Be open that, okay, I need this support. Let's take this support. Let me heal. Let me come out of this baggage. So surrender yourself. Heal yourself. Okay, do not hold on to that. So let go and start your healing journey. The next thing is surrender the drama. Well, again here, if you can see the baggage that you're carrying, either physically, mentally, or emotionally, just surrender to that. Just let go of the drama. Why do you need drama in your life? Correct? At the end, we all need happiness, peace, good health. So be in peace. Do not carry all this. Let go of the drama. Let go of the past baggages, or any kind of any kind of baggage that you're having, be it physical, mental, or emotional, either past, present, or about the future. And surrender yourself to healing. Start your healing journey right away. Take the necessary help and support, because that is the blessing that Lord Krishna is going to give you by providing the necessary support and help from people around you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3, I hope all of you are doing super amazing, super duper healthy, and super duper happy in your life. So let's see what Lord Krishna has got the messages for you, because it's Lord Krishna Janmashtami. So these are the cards, these are the decks that I'm using, and I have already asked the questions and I have picked the cards from various decks. So let's see. The various questions are: what is the obstacle that he's going to remove from your life? What is the blessing? And what is the guidance that he wants to give you? So yes, let's begin. So the first question that I have asked is: what is the obstacle that Lord Krishna is going to remove from your life? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I feel you've got the card Hermit, that the darkness that you are facing right now in your life is going to come to an end. So there's a saying that there is always there's a light in the end of the tunnel. So if you don't know what is happening in your life, what is going to happen, why things are going in this way, and just a moment. Okay, just a moment, guys. Sorry for this, my camera was actually falling down. So yes, let's continue. You will find a guiding light. Okay, you will find the right road. All the path that is standing as an obstacle your way is going to get cleared, and you will find the right direction in your life. Automatically the roads are going to open up. You will find the light in your darkness. Okay, yes, and I feel that you will be undergoing, some of you, a major transformation in life. See, transformation is painful. The process of transformation is definitely painful, but the result of the transformation is always positive. So can you see this, how beautiful it is formed? Whatever the pain that you're going now, whatever the major change that you are going through, the major transformation at the end will lead you to the light. Okay, so do not worry, this transformation is going to be favorable for you. Although the process could be painful, the result of the transformation is something that is going to be a blessing. So that is what the Lord Krishna is telling. So whatever things, and I also feel that some of you, things that are not serving in your life, things that are like an unwanted energy, is also going to come to an end, be it relationship, be it career, be it any aspect in your life. A lot of cleansing is going to happen, a lot of changes are going to happen. And the obstacle that he will be removing is by making you to go through this transformation, because that unwanted energy is serving as an obstacle in your life, and he is going to definitely end it and remove it from your life. So the next card I'm getting is Queen of Pentacles. Well, so some of you, I feel the obstacle that he's going to remove from your life is especially finances, I'm saying. So if anyone is going through a lot of financial breakdowns or anything related to finances, that is going to come to an end. So for example, if some of you are not getting a loan, then he's going to make it more easier by clearing the obstacle. Or if anything, or if your money is stuck somewhere and you're not getting that money on time, then that obstacle is going to be removed by Lord Krishna. Okay, so this is another obstacle that I feel Lord Krishna is going to remove. So overall, I feel that seeing these cards, I feel he is going to remove a major obstacle in your life. He's going to end it. Although you feel that end is a pain, but it will be at the end for your good. There will be a light at the end of the tunnel, and definitely your life is going to shine as bright as this card. Okay, so whatever unwanted things are there in your life, without your knowledge, he is going to remove that, because that is causing as an obstacle. Okay, so let's see your next cards. What is the blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with? Well, King of Swords, very good. So here I feel that blessing that is going to come to your way is your own wisdom. So your wisdom, your thought process changes so much because of this transformation, that you are going to be a whole of a new person in a positive way, of course. So this transformation will change you as a very, very strong, courageous, and a very practical person. This transformation is going to change you into a complete new person in a more positive way. You will be the best version of yourself. So this is the blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with. And 3 of Cups. So I feel that some of you will be having some kind of a celebration, a get together, a gathering, or some kind of an event that you will be attending. So that's a blessing, yes. So definitely having people around you celebrating your life is the biggest blessing that anyone can get. So apart from this, I also feel that whatever obstacle he's going to remove in your life, you are going to change as a whole new person, more courageous, more practical, and this transformation is going to lead you to a new celebration. So that is what I feel. And apart from that, some of you, as I told, is going to hang out with friends, go out with friends, make new friends, or attend some kind of a celebration event in your life. So this is another blessing that Lord Krishna is going to bless you with. So can you see how beautifully these cards, they show a story, how the obstacles end and how you change into a more courageous, practical, and strong person. And this transformation is going to lead to a lot of celebration at the end. So that means there's always a light in the end of the tunnel. Okay, so let's see now what is the guidance that Lord. Sorry again, I don't know, group 3, the camera is behaving, very naughty today. So anyways, let's continue. So this shows that group 3, you have got a lot of obstacles in your life. Like the cards are showing, a major transformation, major obstacle will be removed. So yes, let's continue. The blessing, the guidance that Lord Krishna wants to give you is the healing light. So yes, group 3, even you have got the same, that you will be, the guidance is move towards healing, focus yourself on healing yourself rather than the things around you. So whatever transformation that takes place, whatever obstacles is going to get removed or you're facing that, focus on yourself. Okay, even you have got the same card, the healing light. Focus yourself on mental healing, physical healing, emotional healing, or any kind of healing in your life that you feel it is needed. Okay, so that is the guidance. Let your focus, let your actions be more towards healing rather than anything else. So let's see what are the cards that, what is the thing that you need to surrender. So surrender to wonder and awe. Okay, so this means miracles happen. God is there. Believe in the divine. Believe in yourself. Believe that whatever happens for good. Believe in positivity. So whatever transformation or whatever obstacle is being removed, rather than feeling sad or cripping about it, believe that this has happened for your highest good. So surrender to that miracles. Okay, so surrender to your intuition. So one more thing, we all have got that intuition in us. Only thing is sometimes we don't listen to it. So listen to your inner voice, listen to your intuition, listen whatever messages that you're getting. So if you feel this particular thing, is not right for me to move ahead, then do not move ahead, because your intuition is guiding you. Lord Krishna is going to guide you through your own intuition, through your own inner voice. Okay. So yes, these are general messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So I hope you enjoyed this reading of the messages from Lord Krishna. Thank you so much for watching my video. So Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video. And happy Krishna Janmashtami.